What does this part and this one and that one and these two parts have in common? All of them can be made with the Supermold program. We created a flat rate program in order for you to get the tooling you need and the parts in low volumes to begin with. Afterward, you can go directly into production. It's called the Supermold. If you need an injection molded part about this size and you need to go from purchase order to first article in as little as 10 days, you see the Supermold is applicable to any situation where you have an open and shut mold. Part fits within a 2-inch diameter by 2-inch tall cylinder. Here's the secret. What if I told you that the mold you need is already mostly built? All you're worried about is what fits in the cavity. Our process doesn't care what your part does. Aerospace, medical, consumer, retail, just doesn't matter. All that matters is that it fits in a 2-inch diameter by 2-inch tall cylinder. So in the Supermold, what in the world are you getting? You get a mold that has a lifetime guarantee. We're gonna start out by making 1,000 parts. The molding cost is included. We'll spend a little bit more money for the actual plastic pellets. After we're done, you have a mold. It belongs to you. Take it anywhere you want. We can continue making parts in that mold forever for you. Some customers use this as the proving ground for the next generation of product. And we'll take that single cavity mold and we'll make it a multi-cavity mold and make you hundreds of thousands, if not millions of parts. The Supermold is one stop, one price. You know exactly what you're getting. Before you start, you're getting a mold, lifetime guarantee, 1,000 parts, the capability to make more parts, and real injection molded parts that fit your application right now. Are there other quick turn programs? Sure, but there are limitations, and the limitations can be severe. You see, it may be that, ooh, we need to CNC cut your profile, or maybe they're gonna say, hey, you have to use our ABS, or you must use our nylon. The Supermold doesn't have any of those limitations. You see, in the Supermold program, the idea is to give you your geometry in your material. Medical grade, permanently implantable, something to go outside in the sun, it doesn't matter. You see, you get to pick the thermoplastic. You're gonna buy some plastic pellets, we're gonna make some parts. Whether it be this part, or whether it be this part, or whether it be this part, they all have something in common. They're all part of the Supermold program. They fit in a 2x2 cylinder in an open and shut mold. We have packaged this product and the Supermold is waiting for you. Send the geometry, send us a purchase order, we'll get started today. Supermold, simplifying your entry into manufacturing.